Today we're going to talk about how to write an equation if you're given a graph. And I don't know if you watched yesterday's video too, but wow, I don't know, somehow the focus is so much better. So I'm sorry about yesterday's. I know the letters were a little bit blurry. So how to write an equation from this graph? Well, it's one of these. So it is an even positive, okay? Even positive. Leading coefficient, it's going to be something positive number. I would say, to make it the simplest thing possible, if it's positive, let's just write 1. Okay, it's positive 1. Roots and their multiplicities. So root, what do you see here? I see right there 1, 2, and a 3. Yes, I know the 0 does not say so just be careful there was 0. So there's a root at -5/2. And multiplicity, well, did it pass or did it bounce at this point? It passed through. So that's an odd number. And if it's an odd number, to make it simple, we'll just call it 1. And really, it's just writing a possible equation. So it could be anything. Another root at 0, right? Multiplicity of, it passed through. So another 1. And then at 5, what happened? What happened at 5? The graph came down and it bounced off. So we don't know what it is, but it must be an even. So smallest even number is 2, so I'll just put 2. So here is a possible equation. It'll be y equals roots at x. Well, I know it is -5/2, but if you want root to be -5/2, you know the equation has to be the opposite sign, right? So it would have to be x plus 5/2. Now it's an odd because it bounced, so I'm gonna put 1. The other one is at 0, so you don't have to put them in parentheses, but I would like to, just cause. And then odd, so I'll put 1. And root at +5, so think opposite, so it'd be x minus 5. And even, so 2. And its leading coefficient is positive, so this is just good the way it is. So for this, this would be the smallest possible value for the degrees. It would be like 1 and 1 and 2, which is 4. It's even, so they are going even. Right? Okay, let's try 4b. I get the feeling I can do a lot of these since we don't have to take notes today. Leading coefficient. They're going at odds. So it's the odd. It's going down late at the end, so it has to be negative. Right? If it's positive, then it'll be going forever, infinity, positive, higher, but it goes lower and lower, so it's negative. Roots. I see 2. Do you see 2? I see 2. Here is root at -1/3. Okay, it passed. So multiplicity must be odd. So I'll just put 1. And at 0, it bounced. It wanted to cross, but it couldn't. It bounced. So it must be even. So that's all we have. So the equation would be y equals -1/3. So I'm going to put +1/3. Add, so 1, 0, and then even, so put 2. And then just be careful. I mean, this does get play in the equation process. So because leading coefficient is negative, I would attach a negative sign in front of it. Good? All right, let's do a couple more. Like I said, this is good. We can do a lot of examples today. Here, so B is an odd because they're going at different direction, but it's going down to negative forever, so that's why leading coefficient was negative. In this case, it's going up forever, so it'll be positive. We don't know what it is, but we just know it's a positive number. I see 3 roots. Do you see 3 roots? 1, 2, 3. So root 1 is at -2. Multiplicity, it passed, so it must be odd. So I'll just put 1. Root and -1, it passed through, so it's odd. So I'm going to put 1. And +3/2, multiplicity, odd. Look, in this case, pass through, pass through, pass through. It passes through, the graph passes through the roots every single time, so they're all odds. The possible equation would be x plus 2, because we're doing the opposite, and then odd. X plus 1, we're doing the opposite and odd. And then x odd. The leading coefficient positive, so no, we don't have to write anything. If it's positive, it is positive. There you have it. Now, these we gave you like specific numbers for this, but on the other side, nope, that's not the other side. We're looking for page 8. In page 8, we did not give you numbers. So in this case, that's even better because you get to make up your own. We just want this to be very open-ended. So let's try one together. Like this, pick a number, any number, whatever. How come I call it -5? Well, it has to be negative because you know this is 0 where the x-axis and y-axis meet. And this, pick a number, any number. I like 7, so I'm gonna call it lucky 7. That is both going up. So up is positive. Roots, I call it -5, and it passed. So multiplicity would be odd. So maybe I'll call 1. At 0, it passed. Multiplicity odd, so I'll call it 1. And at 7, it didn't get to cross, it bounced off. So that means multiplicity is even. So maybe 2. I mean, it could be 4. There's so many possibilities. All right, possible equation, y equals x, opposite sign, so +5, 1, x, 1, opposite sign, so x minus 7, and even 2, and leading coefficient is positive, so we like it the way it is. Okay, well, thank you for watching. We'll do a couple more examples in classroom. Bye!